Diana's Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make some lobster, guys. Alright, let's start. Hey guys, so these are my lobster. Look at these lobster, guys. This is what I'm going to cook today, guys. So I'm going to show you the next step. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to take up all of these and put them away, guys. Put them in a bowl because I want to show you what... Oh, the color coming off, everything coming apart, guys. It's okay, no problem, guys. If your is coming apart, no problem. So guys, this is my pot that I'm going to use. Okay, this is my pot, guys, that I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to fill this with water, guys. Okay, and guys, I'm going to throw some salt. Okay, just use your judgment and your salt, guys. Okay, all right, guys. So guys, this is like a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some garlic, guys. Okay, I'm going to put like a little pinch of garlic in my boiling water. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, guys. Okay, turn off your water. And I have, guys, I have a lemon here that I want to use. I have a lemon here, guys, that I want to use. So I'm just going to cut this lemon, guys, in 4 pieces and just drop it in my water, guys. Okay, but guys, if you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. What you can do is just catch some water in a pot with some salt and just boil it like that. Okay, once it boils, then you can throw your lobster in. But for me, I want to boil my lobster or to boil my lobster with some lemon. So right now, guys, I'm gonna put this on the stove to boil, and once it starts to boil, then I'm gonna drop my my lobster in. Okay, guys, so this is my boiling water. You can see it's boiling right now. So right now I'm gonna drop my lobster in, guys. Okay, just take your time and drop your lobster in. And guys, if you have a bigger pot, the bigger pot works. Okay, so with me, I have to put like 3 at a time. Okay, or 2 at a time. This is 3 lobster. I have 2 more. So I'm gonna, guys, I'm gonna cook this for around 10 minutes. Okay, because I want the right here, I want it to, you know, really cook. I don't want it to tough, the meaty part. Sometimes you cook it and then when you take it out the shell, the meaty part tough. I don't want that. So I'm gonna cook this for about 10 or 12 minutes. Okay, my lobster is boiling really nice, guys. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait, guys. I just cannot wait. Guys, I'm gonna make my sauce for my lobster, guys. So I'm gonna use the long lake butter, guys. I'm gonna use some red pepper seed, guys. I'm gonna use some thyme. All right, I'm gonna use some minced garlic and the garlic powder, guys. All right, and this is my pot that I'm going to use. Okay, this is the pot that I'm going to use, guys. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put some butter in my pot right now. Okay, I'm gonna put some butter, guys, in my pot. Okay, so you want to put some butter in. Make the butter melt a little bit. Try to turn on the stove a little bit. Let me turn on. Oh, okay, my stove already turned on. So I turn it down, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little pinch of minced garlic. Just a little pinch, guys. I'm gonna put just a pinch. All right, guys, we just want to put a little pinch. Okay, maybe a half a teaspoon, guys, of the minced garlic. Okay, you want that garlic flavor, so maybe about a half a teaspoon, guys. All right, then you're gonna put some garlic powder. You're gonna put like another half a teaspoon of the garlic powder, so you're looking for that garlic taste. Okay, then guys, I'm gonna put like a half a teaspoon of the red pepper seed, because I want, you know, I want some spice. I definitely want some spice. Now, guys, I'm going to put, I'm going to put some thyme. The thyme that I just showed you, just a pinch of thyme for the flavor, guys. Okay, just a pinch. This is the time, so I'm gonna put like a pinch. Just a pinch. Alright, just a pinch, guys. For the seed, for the flavor. Ooh, smells so yummy. Oh my goodness. Guys, let me put it on low because I don't want it to. It smells so good, guys. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. So I'm gonna just cook this, guys, for like a minute or two because I want the garlic to cook. Okay. Then I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay. Okay, guys. So now, guys, I'm removing my lobster from my pot, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I'm taking my lobster from my pot. Some of the egg gone, but it's fine. No problem. So guys, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna remove everything and show you what to do next. Okay. Okay guys, so you just twist and take out the lobster, and this is the most fleshiest part, guys. All right, make sure you have a scissors. Okay, so you want to cut the inside like this. It's very simple, guys. Just cut the inside like this, guys. Very simple, nothing to it. Okay, just open it like this, guys. All right, take your time and open it. All right, guys, take your time and you just remove the shell. Okay, here it is. You just remove the shell from off it, guys. Okay, this is the shell. You don't need this. This is what you need, the meaty part. Okay, so you just take your hands and bring it apart a bit. Okay, all right, just take your hands and bring it apart a bit. Okay, because this is where you need the meat. Okay, and just be careful when you're doing it. Okay, all right, so this is the meat. This is what we need. Okay, this part, guys, you can, you can keep it, or you can, just take it off. For me, guys, I'm going to keep it. All right, I'm going to put it in a separate dish, guys, because I need that. All right, guys, for here, guys, I'm going to remove this. I just want to show you this because this is very tough, guys. But if you have the tool to crack it, use the tool. But I don't have the tool. I have a every duty knife. So I just, beat it a bit, guys, and look at this. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Oh, all of those meat, guys, that looks so good. Oh my goodness, look at this. I can't wait to dig in. So this is how you move it. Just take your time and remove it. You get all those meat inside, guys. All those delicious meat. Look at this. Oh, guys, I just can't wait to heat this, guys. Okay. All right, guys, so again, I'm gonna do another one for you. These you can do later, guys. These are, you can do on your little term. I'm just gonna show you like the important ones. Again, I'm gonna show you one more of these. Okay, put this over here. All right, so I show you how to crack that. Then I'll show you how to do this again, guys. Make sure you have a knife. Just cut into it to get all these nice meat. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't wait. I just can't wait. I just can't wait. I just can't wait, guys. Okay, guys, so guys, I'm so excited. I love some seafood. So I'm so excited to dig into this. Yep, so excited to dig into this, guys. Oh, look at these. Oh, guys, I can't wait. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this aside. I just want to show you that the important one so I can do this on my term, guys. Okay, I just want to show you the important thing. Okay, guys, so put this aside here because I have a lot to go through. So this is the meat that I take out, guys. Okay, so what you can do, guys, you just cut up this, just get a nice little cut. Nice little cut, guys, because you're gonna dig in. Guys, I can't wait to dig in. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. So you just wait, take off this. All right, guys, so this is my lobster, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eat this with a little vegetable at the side. So guys, I'm gonna put some lettuce, guys, with it. Eat that with some lettuce. Some lettuce, guys. You can eat it with anything, guys, your heart desire. And guys, I have some lemon here, guys. Guys, you can eat this with anything, anything your heart desire, guys. Okay, you can eat this with anything. Some mashed potato, guys, whatever your heart desire, guys, you can eat this with. Okay, then guys, remember my sauce that I make, guys. I'm gonna just show some of these amazing sauce, guys, over here. Oh guys, I can't wait to dig in. Oh my goodness, all this garlic and red pepper. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. You know what, guys, guess what? I'm gonna put some carrot here too, guys. A nice carrot. Yeah, guys, I have some carrot here because I love vegetable, guys. So I'm gonna put some carrot at the side, right here, just like that, guys, just like that, guys. So my dish is finished, guys. Okay, it's finished, guys. All right, so guys, if you watch this video and you like it, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Guys, this is the complete lobster. I take some time and I pull it apart. So this is the lobster itself. I already show you how it looks with my vegetable and stuff. So this is it, guys. Yes, guys, and it tastes so delicious, guys. So try the recipe.